Welcome to today's video. Today we are going to decode one of the interesting company in defense space. So I think next decade would be like people would generate great kind of return in defense space. So today's company is also from a defense sector, and which earlier they have given a guidance of 20 to 30% of growth in their revenue, but now they have an huge opportunity to serve. They have a huge base of client. Their client even base includes ISRO, DRDO and all that people, and now the guidance had been revised to 30 to 40%, and even their internal targets are 50%, so they can achieve around 50% in next this FY27. So let's start with today's video. In a modern welfare, victory isn't just about weapons, it's about see first, react faster and survive longer, and the system that makes possible don't get a headline, and they operate silently in a space, even underwater, even long borders, and inside the mission critical defense platforms. And one of the Indian company is quietly building this system. Okay, so the name of the company is Paras Defense and Space Technology. Not a company selling a mass product, but this is a company building the eye of satellite, even the nervous system of a defense electronics, and even the productive shield against the electromagnetic welfare. And from a niche optic manufacturing, and Paras is now transferring into a multi-domain defense and technology player. And in today's video we are going to break down what Paras makes unique, and where is the growth is coming from actually, and why it sits in the center of the Indian defense indigenous story. The invisible backbone. Paras Defense operates in a space where precision matters more than the volume. Failure is not an option and the entry barrier is extremely high. And the company has started with optics and photonics, but today it works across defense electronics, even in space optics, heavy engineering, EMP optic protection system, and even in the products includes satellite graded mirrors, even infrared lens for night vision, and even hyperspectral imaging system. And even these aren't accessories, they are the core enablers of defense and space system. Core businesses of Paras Defense where it operates is first is defense engineering growth engine. This segment contributes around 50% of their revenue. Hence the company builds the command and control system, even avionics for aircraft and missile and rocket assemblies, even remote controlled defense systems, and even EMP protection systems and solution. Think of this as the brain of nervous system of the welfare. Everything is customized and everything is mission critical. In business segment comes from is optics and optronics technology edge. This is where the Paras has a strong mode. Product includes space optics, even night vision system, even submarine perceive scopes, and even EO and IR systems. Paras is among very few Indian players capable of manufacturing space grade optics, and this is the domain dominated globally by just a handful of companies. There are not much companies in this space, so that's a great for Paras that they have edge in it. Makes the Paras unique. So let's see the client. Client shows the credibility of the company. In defense, your customer defines your credibility. Paras works with ISRO, DRDO, HAL, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Bharat Electronics, and even global defense firms. And these relationships are long-term, even qualification heavy, and even trust-based. So, but there is a flip side that high client concentration and top client contributes a large portion of revenue. So, which both are moat and a risk. Look at their order book. The Paras Defense order book has grown significantly from 300 crores to 630 crores, and it's rising. Currently it's around 850 crores. So with the strong inflows over the last 18 months, this reflects a larger trend, and India is moving from importing defense to building it domestically, and the Paras is the right in the middle of that shift. Entering into weapon manufacturing, this is where things get more interesting. Paras recently received a license to manufacture light machine guns, LMGs, and defense cannons, and this changes everything because earlier Paras was a component supplier and now it's moving towards the full system manufacturing, so which means higher margin and even larger opportunity and bigger execution responsibility, and but also longer approval cycle and higher capital requirement. This is where the high risk high reward transaction comes in. Drone betting on the future. Modern welfare is evolving and the drones are becoming central. Paras is entered in the space through Paras anti-drone technologies, and focus area is drone detection system, even signal jammers, and even software-defined radios. With the global collaborations already in place, management ambitious is to become in India's leading anti-drone company and among the top 5 in globally by FY27. This year itself they are talking about, and if this plays out, this could be a massive growth driver, right? In the next decade, Paras is investing heavily into the Capex plan of 500 crores of Capex they are investing of, and to build India's first advanced optical system development park. This will localize high-end optics, even reduce import dependency and strengthen its defense ecosystem. This is not just an expansion, but it is strategical capability building. Toward the growth outlook, management has guided for growth guidance. Earlier it was guided of around 20 to 30% for FY27, and now they have revised it to 40 to 50%, and this is a big jump, but execution will be key in this guidance. Toward the risk of the company, no defense story is without the risk. Key ones is the client concentration, even long execution cycle and government dependency, even segment volatility, especially optics. This is not a smooth business, but it's a project driven and cyclical. Thoughts from my side is that Paras Defense is not a typical company in the defense space. It operates where the technology meets the national security, even precision meets the reliability, and innovation meets the geopolitics, and its journey reflects the India's largest shift from defense buyer to defense builder, and the road ahead won't be the linear, but if the execution holds, the Paras can evolve from a niche player to a core pillar of India's defense ecosystem. So needs to track it deeply, keep it in the watch list of yours. That's it for today's video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Make the YouTube brother happy, and let's meet in the next video. Bye bye, investors.